Tony, do you want to just quickly check the audio if you haven't?
Yes, I'll try again.
Yeah. Yeah.
भारत के श्रमिक देश के आर्थिक विकास
Works fine?
Yes, we can hear. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, it's Adil.
Hi, Adil.
Hi, Adil. So, Adil will be putting this cover page until Secretary Sir joins. And once he joins, we'll remove this cover page again. Because for whoever's joining on the link, they'll have a blank screen if we don't project anything.
And I will say at the end that there's no charges for it right now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Just monitor your WhatsApp, see, I can cue you from there.
20% आ रही है या टाइमिंग है, that is too high.
Oh, it is not started. Meeting has not started yet. Looks like.
हेलो,
Hello.
आवाज आ रही सर?
दोस्त मीटिंग चालू नहीं हुआ है ना अभी तक?
नहीं हुआ।
5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
I can't see. I don't know how to check that.
Okay.
I'll ask one of our team
By
to
at
check.
5 o'clock it will start.
Okay.
Okay, boss.
Okay. Thanks.
सर, अडिल सर,
Yes.
आवाज आ रही सर?
Hello.
आवाज आ रही
Yes,
सर?
audible.
हाँ सचिन आ
Yeah,
रही
yeah.
है, सचिन आ रही है।
ओके ओके।
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Ashish over here. From CII.
Hi, Ashish.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. Good evening.
Evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So, do we start?
Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Yeah, Adil bhai, do we start?
Yes, sir.
So today you have very large number of people attending this session. Thanks to Alka, my colleague in the ministry, she has organized a very large this thing participation, and of course all our senior officers colleagues are already there. Mr. DK Singh, you are aware, he and other senior colleagues are also there, and more importantly, a lot of associations. I can see Mr. Salunke, I can see many others actually. तो बहुत से लोग हैं and very impressive gathering. In fact, very hard to find so many people at one platform. I can see Sushma ji also.
Namaste, sir.
It's a very impressive presence. Now, Adil bhai and all others attending, first of all, our sincere thanks from the ministry that you have respected our card. I can see Mukesh Mohan also. I thank all of you for joining us. In fact, I give a little effort. This effort, as soon as I joined in this ministry, you will recall that at that time the scenario of labor moving here and there on the streets and on the roads, we were witness to all that scenario. So we were thinking as to how do we cope up with this challenge and how do we bring this labor to the industry or to, I mean, the time was very difficult, but still that thought process was going on in our mind. At the same time, then I was told by our senior colleague, Madam Youth Affairs में secretary हैं, Mrs. Usha Sharma. I don't know Madam is there on the today this thing or not. So she came to me and said कि हमारे पास voluntary force बहुत ज़्यादा है and wherever you are feeling that you lack labor for the MSME, those volunteers can work in the industry. So from there we started thinking why not have a platform for matching all these forces together. In the meantime, I was told by Mr. Adil and his team, it's a very high-tech scientific team and high-tech people are there, around 50 people are working. So they said that they are already working on some platform. They are trying to develop some platform where the laborer and the employer and the job seeker can be brought together. So that interested me, and then in fact I sort of hijacked that project, and I must say that they allowed me to board on that. So Sushma ji and all my colleagues in the MSME thing, first of all, I want to clarify that a project of any other ministry or XYZ organization or institution. It is a project of the whole government. Honorable Prime Minister himself has blessed it, and going forward, we feel and we all have worked very hard on this. 4-5 बार हमारी खुद की meetings हुई हैं. So this is going to be the flagship portal of Government of India in the days to come, where the employer and the job seekers perhaps would come together. Now, Adil bhai, I must share with you that the audience, though the number is looking very impressive, but they will make your job very little difficult because there are very experienced people in the sector. They are not people who will be satisfied very easily. This is a very difficult to satisfy. And because they have honestly, because they have a lot of experience. decades and decades of experience.
हाँ हाँ मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छे से आ रही है.
Decades and decades of experience is there with them. So today's session, instead of giving any final product, I would suggest that we will give a demo to all of them. But today's session should be used for noting down their suggestions more than giving a final product to them, Adil bhai, because it will definitely enrich our work. It will definitely improve our work, and then going forward, perhaps we'll be able to deliver a much better product than we might be having today. So now over to you, Adil bhai. It's your time now.
Thank you, sir. And welcome to many of the associations and all the people who are joining from SMSC associations. Some of you I have met before in various contexts, so very nice to see you again. I think this is a very, if you can put up the main screen, I want to talk a little bit about Unnati. That is the name of the exchange portal, which, as sir said, is going to become one that combines many of the other portals of the country. So this is not a duplication. This is, in fact, to create something that will work very well at scale. And let me give you a little bit of background on this. As sir said, Unnati is a digital solution which is available today in beta form. So I'm going to talk a little bit about that. It's in beta, and it has the potential to solve the livelihood access problem for 20 crore job seekers and enable employers to meet their workforce requirements primarily for blue and gray collar. For white collar workers, there are many other approaches that have been tried and many portals, but really the largest number of people are blue and gray collar workers. And so this portal has been designed specifically for their requirements. So what Unnati will act as a growth platform for workers, and it will ultimately link with all the government schemes and initiatives so that they are accessible both to the worker as well as to the companies that are hiring the workers. The way we will go through this today is I will first show you a very short video, then I'll give you a short presentation on what the portal is. I'll do a short demo from the employer side, not from the worker side. And then we want to leave a fair amount of time so that we can take your reactions, your questions, your suggestions, etc. In terms of timing, we have worked on this for the last 3 months. It has been demoed to the Prime Minister also. He's very supportive. And we are getting ready to launch the beta version. By beta, I mean it's a test version. And one of the things that I will ask all of you is to try it and give us your comments on how it is today, so that in a very short period of time, we can start making all the adjustments that you think are necessary to go forward. So that is what we're trying to do. Can I request the team to play the short video?
भारत के श्रमिक देश के आर्थिक विकास की महत्वपूर्ण ऊर्जा है, पर कोविड-19 ने इस ऊर्जा को असंतुलित कर दिया है। इस दौरान श्रमिकों और कामगारों को अपने गृह राज्यों में लौटना पड़ा। आज जहां एक तरफ अनेक रोजगार की तलाश में संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर उद्योग कामगारों की कमी की वजह से परेशान है।
कोरोना के दौरान मेरे निर्माण स्थल पर काम ठप हो गया था। मुझे अपनी नौकरी से हाथ धोने और के साथ हम अब कमी रहे हैं और काम शुरू करना चाहते हैं।
हम अपनी दिल्ली साइट के लिए 300 लोग कैसे ढूंढें? यहाँ कुशल कारीगरों की बहुत कमी है।
उन्नति भारत में निर्मित एक एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी पे बना मोबाइल प्रोडक्ट है, जो इंटेलिजेंट मैचिंग के द्वारा कामगारों के डिमांड और सप्लाई के बीच सेतु बनकर इस असंतुलन को घटाने में सक्षम है। ये बहुत ही आसान मोबाइल फर्स्ट, असिस्टेड ऑनबोर्डिंग, इंक्लूसिव, डेटा लाइट और बहुभाषी ऐप है। यहाँ श्रमिक नौकरियां देखने के अलावा वेतन, आवास तथा अन्य सुविधाओं का विवरण भी जान सकते हैं। उद्योग एवं एम्प्लॉयर्स इसमें अनुभव और कौशल के आधार पर कामगार एवं श्रमिक ढूंढ सकते हैं। यहाँ तक कि इसमें उनका वीडियो रिज्यूमे भी मिल सकता है। उन्नति लाखों मजदूरों, हजारों कंपनियों और ठेकेदारों के लिए एक कारगर समाधान है। इसके पावर डैशबोर्ड पर सरकार श्रमिकों, कामगारों, नौकरियों, कौशल आदि की इंफॉर्मेशन और एडवांस्ड इंसाइट्स देख सकती है, जो कारगर पॉलिसी बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाएंगी। उन्नति की टेक्नोलॉजी ओपन सोर्स फ्रेमवर्क पर बनी है, जिसमें दूसरे पार्टनर्स निरंतर अपनी सुविधाओं का समावेश कर सकते हैं। ये प्रोडक्ट डेटा प्राइवेसी और सिक्योरिटी सुनिश्चित करता है। निकट भविष्य में उन्नति को डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट्स ट्रांसफर, पेंशन, बैंक्स, रोजगार और कौशल योजनाओं इत्यादि से भी जोड़ सकते हैं। आइए करोड़ों लोगों तक रोजगार पहुंचाएं, रोजगार से विकास तक।
The presentation back. So this was to just give you a very short overview of what the product is and what the idea is. It will ultimately be a multi-channel platform which will connect job providers and job seekers, once again for blue and gray collar workers. The goal is, in many of these portals, scale matters. And so the goal is ultimately to have this across the country, across all states, across most industries that hire blue and gray collar workers. And it will support both local as well as interstate job seeking. Just to be clear, this is not owned by any company. This will be a government-owned platform. It is being done for the common good. It is completely brand new. It is built on open architecture and what's called the Technology Commons Framework. And of course, it will have strong inbuilt privacy protections and online data security. Can we go to the next page, please? So if you think about this from a job seeker's perspective, for the job seeker, this is a very big step forward because with the advent of digital technology and the fact that they will be able to access this from feature phone, SMS, IVR, app, call center, whatever way they want to, it puts control in the hands of the workers, and they can look at jobs depending on their capabilities. They can also be able to look at skill development. They'll also be able to link it to some of the direct benefits that come to them. It'll also allow them, workers, to have their own resume and to be able to tell people that they are verified, because most of the workers will get on this. The platform will verify them so that when they're applying for anything, you know, they have this identity that is verified, and it'll help them create CVs, including a video CV. They have the opportunity to load their video CV. And as they go from job to job, this will build their CV for them so that when the employer looks at it, they will automatically have a CV. And the way it's designed so that it is very easy for someone literally who is illiterate to be able to work on this, because it doesn't require them to type almost anything. It requires them to choose from different choices, pictures, etc., and it immediately starts showing them opportunities and jobs. And as I said, it's of great benefit to them because over time, we will add skills, training, DBT, and other schemes of the government so that this becomes a worker-centric portal. Let's go to the next page, please. From the point of view of the employer, this is of great use because all the employers that we talked to, both large and small companies, told us that they have a very limited view of what job seekers are out there with the kinds of skills that they're looking for. And that if they had a better idea of the kinds of people who are out there and where they are, they would be able to find better people to fill the jobs that they're doing. They'd be able to find people with better capabilities that they can train, etc., etc. Second, it gives them verified workers. and so they know who they are hiring, as opposed to often when they don't know who they're hiring. The platform over time will have the ability to verify the workers. Thirdly, many of them told us that they do work through intermediaries, and most portals don't allow them to work through intermediaries. And it's a fact of life in India that a lot of hiring is done through intermediaries. This portal will have the ability for any company to work either directly or through intermediaries. And ultimately, for large and medium-sized companies, this will have the ability to link to their internal systems. Most companies have a very strong internal HR system, and this will then link to it directly, and it will make life easier on many fronts, including compliance. If you go to the next page, please. So the approach that was taken to developing Unnati is we looked across the world, and I'll tell you who we is in a minute. We looked across the world to see if anyone had developed portals that allow blue and gray collar workers to find jobs. And we looked at 20 to 30 portals that have been built around the world and in India. Lots of people in India have also been trying to build this. And we were able to find the most cutting edge technology, which is scalable to 20 crores to be able to build this. As we went and talked to companies and looked at these portals, we learned a few things. One is that most portals largely cater to white collar segment. And it's not difficult to understand why, because if you're a private company, all the money is to be made in matching white collar workers, not really in blue collar workers. So there was no platform that was really designed keeping in mind what blue and gray collar workers and employers who hire blue and gray collar workers really wanted. Thirdly, very few, if any, portal really acknowledged the role of intermediaries in the labor market in India. And fourthly, that many of the things that you would like to do would not have been possible a few years ago, because to make this work requires that people have access to even simple digital technology. And now and in the next 12 months, a very, very large proportion of Indians will have access to digital technology on their phones. So if we go to the next page, where we are today is we are focusing the initial launch on 6 sectors. Of course, there are many sectors in the country. We looked at which sectors employ blue and gray collar workers, wo kidhar kaam karte hain. And we learned that there are 6 industries where there are a lot of blue and gray collar workers, and they are construction, manufacturing, garments and textiles, retail, logistics, and security. That those sectors have a large number of blue and gray collar jobs. They hire a lot of them, there's lots of turnover, and those companies are always looking for people in this area. This also requires at some level the least level of skills. Once you go a lot beyond this, then you get into white collar and others. What we have done is in each of these 6 sectors, so far we have talked to large companies who hire lots of people in this sector. Obviously in construction, I don't have to name for you the companies that do a lot of construction, L&T, Shapurji, Tatas, etc. We've talked to retailers, we've talked to manufacturers, we've talked to textile and garment companies, and the big security companies like Group 4 and others. They have agreed to come on board as the lead partners in getting this launched. So even today, as we launch the beta version, we have live job requirements from most of these companies and more. I'm just giving you a few. The reason we wanted to talk to MSMEs is at the end of the day, MSMEs generate a huge amount of employment and a huge amount of the GDP of the country. And it is very important for MSMEs to have a platform like this. So that's why we wanted to use the good offices of Secretary MSME to make sure that this addresses the needs of the MSMEs and that we get them on board. But these are the 6 sectors that we are starting with, and we have companies in each of these sectors who will be the launch partners as we launch it. Just to give you an idea, in each of these sectors, we've done, by talking to the companies, we've done a very detailed look at in each sector, what are the different kinds of job roles, and what is and what categories of job, and under that, what job roles people are looking for. So these are not ones that we have invented. These are ones that companies have given us. And as we expand into different sectors, we will add more to this so that the job roles look like the people you want to hire, so that when you look at it, it makes sense to you as an employer. There's, of course, more detail behind each of these, because under each of these, even under freight handlers or under construction, there are many kinds of masons, there are many kinds of plumbers, there's level 1, 2, 3, etc. But this is the broad taxonomy, and then there's more detail behind each, so that when you go in and when you're describing the jobs you want, it will link up with the way you think about the jobs. That's the idea, right? And we will look for you to give us more details on the kinds of descriptions of the jobs that you want as you go forward. So I just put this here to give you an idea of the kind of work that has gone in to think about what jobs will be put up there. If we go to the next page, what we did in this is to try and address the unique needs of blue and gray collar workers. And the idea was, most of you use some apps. You use apps that are easy to use. You use apps that require the least amount of input before it gets to something that you want. This is even more true of blue and gray collar workers who don't want to enter a lot of things. Honestly, they don't want to often go to service centers and have someone else enter these things for them. So the way it is designed is, for the worker, there is almost no text required. There's very, very minimal, if at all. Typically, they're choosing from 2 or 3 things that are visual and picture-based. And based on that, it starts intuitively giving you what kinds of jobs are available, so that you're doing immediate gratification, in a sense, for people who are applying for jobs. We don't ask them to fill out very large forms. And then it continually builds their worker profile. It allows them, as I said, to do video resume. And because this is for blue and gray collar workers, when it is launched, it will be in 9 languages. The goal is ultimately to be in 23 languages. We'll get there. Next page, please. This is not just a simple matchmaking service. I think ultimately the goal is that it will link to many of the job portals that all the states have started to put in. We are currently working with MP and UP and Gujarat, and hopefully some of the others, to try and link their job portals to this. The idea is to give the worker maximum choice and to give the employer maximum choice. And for that, you need scale. So the goal ultimately is that, since this is a platform, all of those will have linkages into it, and therefore it will be seamless between that. Over time, it will link to skilling platforms. So, you can suggest skilling for employees, you can suggest skilling for job seekers. They can look up what skilling they can do given the kind of jobs that they can get. It will also link up to direct benefit transfer, et cetera, et cetera. So this will all come. It's not there on day one, but the idea is to create a portal that becomes a development portal for workers and becomes a development portal for companies as they're looking for workers and skilling them. Go to what I'll do is, I won't go into the technology and design principles behind it. The only thing I will say is that one of the things that we learned is to make something really simple requires a lot of technology on the back end that you don't see. Google has the most simplest page when you go for Google search, but the technology in the back end is very, very sophisticated. And the same thing here, we've put a lot of technology in the back end so that the front end that you interface with and the company and the worker interfaces with is very simple. So this is the whole, so this gives you a view of what the portal is. What I'd suggest is I'll just take 3 minutes to give you a demo of what it will look like from an employer perspective. I don't want to show you now from the perspective of a job seeker, but I'll just give you a demo from that, and then we will open it up so that we can get your reactions, your comments, your questions, etc. Thank you. So why don't you play the employer demo?
Adil bhai, I hope you are showing the app, live app also, perhaps?
We are showing you, it's a dummy live app. It's the same thing, but we didn't want to take the risk of connectivity, etc. So this is the actual demo of what it will look like for a employer.
Okay. I can also see, I forgot to mention, I can also see Rajiv Chawla and Mr. Luthra also. I can see my old friend from Surat. And Alka, if I am forgetting anyone, you can add.
So I think 12 organizations we are requested to join, and sir, I think everybody is there. So Fiki is there, Sanjay Bhatia is there.
Chinoy's name also.
Dilip Chinoy is there. Dilip Chinoy is there.
So perhaps you can mention if I am forgetting somebody. So 12 associations is a very big number, and from our side the house is full. So yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead and do the employer demo, please.
उन्नति भारत के 20 करोड़ श्रमिकों और कामगारों के लिए बना एक रोजगार पोर्टल। अब नौकरी खोजना हुआ आसान। उन्नति एक सरल यूजर इंटरफेस तथा मोबाइल प्रथम पद्धति पर आधारित है। उन्नति उद्योगों और एम्प्लॉयर के लिए सरल और कारगर है। ये एक ऐसा मंच है जो बड़े व्यवसायों, MSMEs और यहाँ तक की छोटी किराने की दुकानों की विभिन्न जरूरतों को समझता है। कंपनियां अपनी ईमेल आईडी और एक रजिस्टर्ड फोन नंबर द्वारा सुरक्षित ढंग से मात्र 2 स्टेप्स में इसमें लॉगिन कर सकती हैं, जिसके बाद श्रमिकों को ढूंढना और नौकरी पोस्ट करना बेहद आसान हो जाता है। इससे कंपनियां डायरेक्टली प्रोजेक्ट ऐड करके श्रमिकों को नौकरी दे सकती हैं या निर्धारित कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स द्वारा हायर कर सकती हैं। उन्नति में कई नौकरियां एक साथ बल्क अपलोड द्वारा या अलग-अलग पोस्ट करने का भी विकल्प है। उन्नति कंपनियों को सही उम्मीदवार दिलवाने के दृष्टिकोण से बनाया गया है। उनके पास उम्मीदवारों के पोर्टल पर उपलब्ध पूरे विवरण और वीडियो रेज्यूमे के आधार पर चयन करने का पूर्ण विकल्प है। एक बार जब कंपनी उम्मीदवार का चयन कर लेती है, उसकी सूचना उम्मीदवार को तुरंत मिल जाती है। उन्नति, हम यहाँ हैं आपके विकास और सशक्तिकरण के लिए।
I think, Adil bhai, if you have it online available, that resource, showing it from the network point of view also.
Yeah, I think it's there.
Would not be
Good
bad
idea,
to have in 2 minutes.
Good idea.
How does a job seeker get into the system?
Correct. Can you show a job seeker demo?
Yes, I'll just put it on.
It should be there in a second.
उन्नति भारत के 20 करोड़ श्रमिकों और कामगारों के लिए बना एक रोजगार पोर्टल। अब नौकरी खोजना हुआ आसान। उन्नति एक सरल यूजर इंटरफेस तथा मोबाइल प्रथम पद्धति पर आधारित है, जिसमें मोबाइल OTP या एक ऑटोमेटिक फोन कॉल द्वारा आप इसमें आसानी से लॉगिन कर सकते हैं। क्योंकि भारत एक बहुभाषीय देश है, इसलिए उन्नति अभी 9 विभिन्न भाषाओं में उपलब्ध है, जिसे और विस्तृत किया जा सकता है। उन्नति से ये सुनिश्चित किया जा रहा है कि हर श्रमिक इसमें अपनी शैक्षिक योग्यता एवं कौशल के आधार पर नौकरी के अवसरों को मनपसंद काम और उनके पसंद के उद्योगों के आधार पर नौकरी ढूंढने में सक्षम। लॉगिन करने के बाद श्रमिक नौकरी लिस्टिंग पेज पर निरंतर स्क्रॉल करके नौकरियां अपने प्रोफाइल पसंद के हिसाब से देखता है। एक लिस्टिंग में ये देखा जा सकता है कि हर नौकरी उन्हें क्या सुविधाएं दे रही है और उस नौकरी की क्या जरूरतें हैं। इस सरल यूजर इंटरफेस श्रमिकों को नौकरी दिलवाने की प्रक्रिया को आसान और तेज बनाता है और ये कम से कम स्टेप्स में नौकरी के लिए आवेदन करने में मदद करता है। उन्नति एक वीडियो रेज्यूमे बनाने में भी मदद करता है जिसमें श्रमिक अपने कौशल और अनुभवों का विवरण दे सकते हैं। नौकरी का आवेदन करने के बाद नोटिफिकेशन स्क्रीन पर श्रमिक अपने दी हुई एप्लीकेशन के स्टेटस को ट्रैक भी कर सकते हैं। श्रमिक अपनी प्रोफाइल में नए अनुभवों और उसके आधार पर नौकरी के क्षेत्र में प्राथमिकता को भी बदल सकता है। और तो और उन्नति श्रमिक के परिवार वालों के लिए नौकरी ढूंढने एवं आवेदन देने में सहायक हो सकता है। पोर्टल को इतना आसान बनाया गया है कि टेक्नोलॉजी की कम समझ होने पर भी इसे इस्तेमाल करने में कोई कठिनाई नहीं होती। साथ ही हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे स्वयंसेवक हैं जो फीचर फोन इस्तेमाल करने वाले श्रमिकों का असिस्टेड ऑनबोर्डिंग करा सकते हैं। डेटा की गोपनीयता एवं इसकी पहुंच ध्यान में रखते हुए स्वयंसेवक केवल प्रोफाइल बनाने में मदद कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अंतिम अनुमति श्रमिक के पास ही होती है। उन्नति आपका एक सम्मिलित और अवसरशील दुनिया में स्वागत करता है। हम यहाँ हैं आपके विकास और सशक्तिकरण के लिए।
So if you saw sometimes a little fast, but if you saw a job seeker basically logs in using OTP. The first question it asks is language. Second question it asks is education level. Question is asked is how far do you want from your house? Do you want within 10 kilometers? You don't care 50 kilometers? Then ask, here's industries. Which industry are you looking for? And literally with that, you can start seeing what is available. Okay, and then as each job becomes available, it can ask for more things. So it says if you want to work in construction, you pick construction. Have you worked in construction before? Can you do this? Can you do this? Can you do this? So it is intuitive, and the idea is to make it like a Netflix where it learns from what you've said, and then it predicts what might be interesting to show you. Okay, so that's the idea to do that. That's how simple we have made it in terms of the work. So I just want to say two more things, and then I will open for you. Number one, when we said we have this portal, this started because PM said, PM had mentioned that we have such good technology in the country. Can we not use technology to solve initially the technology companies and other areas? And I'm one of those. We're all doing this as volunteers. We've spent a lot of time over the last 2-3 months to create this for the government of India. So that's a thing. It's not from any company. It is not from anyone. It is something that we've all decided is a good thing to do for the country, and it's being supported by the ministries, and ultimately they will run it. The second thing is that what we do in the future, we don't know. But as it goes live right now, this is a free portal. It doesn't cost anyone anything to participate in it today. So I just wanted to clarify that because I think there were some questions that many people asked. And so I just wanted to clarify that for you. With that, let me stop and first of all, thank all of you for joining. I'm going to put up one slide later about what help I need from you. But in the meanwhile, I'm happy to take your thoughts, comments, suggestions, anything.
So, good afternoon, sir. I am Mukesh Kumar Gupta. So, first of all, let me congratulate the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and the leadership we have now. Be it a champion portal or be it this new portal which is being supposed to be launched very soon for this labor issues. Sir, I suppose I was having just 2-3 points which you have already covered. One is that the regional languages, as much as possible, languages should be here, because we understand कि ये जो labor है ये they will not be able to understand English better.
Correct.
Which I suppose are already taken care. The second issue which came to my mind is, sir, that most of the labor are not using the smartphones.
Correct.
So though you have told that you will have some representative or some workers or some of your team members who will assist these workers, in fact, to complete their profile on this portal. But how it will work, that is a question, that whether the non-smartphone will also be able to use this thing. The third point I would like to raise, sir, that you told that the profile will be fully verified. So normally, what we see that when any industry or any retailer or anybody, any employer wants to employ anybody, so the police verification perhaps is very important. So is some police verification type of thing is also taken care of while completing the profile, so that whenever any employer is going to hire anybody out of this portal, he is assured that police verification has already been done for the employee which I am hiring. Yeah, thank you.
Let me just quickly respond to each of those points.
Adil bhai, I would suggest you may not be having answers to all these questions, because I alerted you in the very beginning, very difficult questions will be coming. So this is just a sample. So you may not give all answers at this moment, this very moment, but please make somebody note down so that we can go into those issues. And wherever you feel comfortable and it's already there on the table, you can answer right now.
Brother Secretary, we will give a suggestion to you. Not instead of the question, we will give a suggestions.
Salunke ji, बताइए.
Go ahead.
हाँ जी, ऐसा है, देखिए आदिल भाई, thank you for giving good support to as a making ऐसा MSME sector as a unnati path. First of all, the point is you have taken the sectors. That sectors belongs to more the large corporates, bigger companies. आप ऐसे सेक्टर लीजिए जहां पर MSME सेक्टर को रूरल एरिया में, जो आउट ऑफ सिटी, बिकॉज आज की डेट में किसे जॉब की जरूरत है और किसे जॉब सीकर्स की जरूरत है, वो देखना बहुत जरूरी है. आज हमारे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री को अगर देखा जाए तो उसके लेवल्स अगर आप कोशिश करोगे to identify, because migrated worker, as I texted you earlier, migrated workers are staying their cities now, in their gaon, and they have a knowledge because they have work in a large corporate, they have work in a medium sized industries. ये जो knowledgeable workers है, ये काम में आ सकते हैं हमारे MSME जो रूरल एरिया में काम कर रही है, और यही आज की नीड है. हमारे MSME सेक्टर जो मुंबई रीजन में, अहमदाबाद रीजन में, उनको जरूरत नहीं है, उनको तो मिल जाता है. ये जरूरत हमारी रूरल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की कमियां पूरी करने के हिसाब से होना चाहिए, और इसको आप थोड़ा सा सेक्टर वाइज लीजिए. जैसे इंजीनियरिंग सेक्टर है, ऑटोमोटिव सेक्टर है, फाउंड्री में है, जैसे फूड इंडस्ट्री है, फार्मास्यूटिकल में है, प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री बहुत सारे आउट ऑफ सिटीज है जहां पर पोल्यूशन जहां पर ज्यादा है, फार्मास्यूटिकल में है, केमिकल इंडस्ट्री. वी विल आल्सो सजेस्ट यू, ऑलरेडी वी हैव SMEjobs.in, we have integrated more than at least 1 lakh workers का डेटा. आपको मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा, महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट हमने साथ में की शुरू किया है, और इसको बहुत अच्छे बड़े पैमाने पे MSME के लिए कर सकते हैं. हम आपके साथ में. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू.
Thank you.
Sir, this is Sanjay Bhatia from FICCI MSME. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm fine.
Sir, I would first of all, compliment all of you. This is an excellent initiative which is there, and I hope it should be a big success, because the way the work which has gone for this, I mean, what we can understand in this work, I think it's fantastic. I mean, some of the things which, of course, is the language. Of course, that point that currently you are going in 9 languages, and ultimately the target is to go to 53 languages, and then linkages with state portals. I think that's also something which is very important. Maybe look at for any job seeker, it would be important to know that which state he's going is the minimum wage, what are the laws there. Maybe we can add some of those information. It would be good for the job seeker. Then whether we can link it up with the Chamber of Commerce and all the websites and all, whether we can link up with that. So maybe if we can, there's some provision can be made. Then there are a lot of workers who are overseas, the repatriate workers who are coming here. And then the companies, how do they register? I think that also should be, I hope that would be a very simple process of registering the companies also. Because this is a technology, you said. One thing which has already been made on the vetting of the data. I think that's something very critical because, or you can also link it up with the employment exchange data or apprentices and all. So those things also can come. Maybe some students who are looking for those who are graduating from universities and all. So maybe they can also come on these portals. The sectors which you have chosen, I think they are equally important in providing a lot of employment and job. Maybe you can look at hospitality and tourism and agri-based products. So agri-based industries. I think if you can look at that also, that would be good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, if you may allow, I am Rajiv Chawla and from Assembly of India. My compliments to everyone, especially the Ministry of MSMEs and Adil sir. In fact, I had the privilege to interact with you for this project, and you. In fact, I am the privileged one. You gave this preview.
And you gave us a long list of things to do. So thank you.
So most of the things are, that we've been discussing over the last 2 months are already incorporated. And I just want to say something. We were looking at a portal where someone could just, shoot, take a selfie and just say, "Mera naam Ram Prasad hai, मैं अलीगढ़ में रहता हूँ, मुझे ट्रक चलाना आता है और मैं गाजियाबाद नोएडा एरिया में काम करना में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ." और and this acts as his CV. And
good idea.
And so I think this is what we are aiming at, that any blue-collar worker, skilled, unskilled, from PM's activity to any even housekeeping activity, security, any kind of blue-collar thing, literate, non-literate. Point is, someone can take a selfie, just say something, and this CV comes to the entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Second is that if I have, for example, the requirement of a truck driver or car driver, and if I just post to people around, let us say in my city, an SMS can go that this industry has a requirement of driver or PM. And this SMS goes to the people who are close by, almost like the Ola cab and the Uber cabs are taken. So this is what we are looking at, a seamless interaction between anyone looking at job opportunity and of course us who are looking at this. So my compliments once again. I'm sure we have a long way to go. I see millions of job opportunities and job creations, happening through this portal. And I am almost ecstatic about what Honorable PM is going to launch. So my compliments once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajiv. I can see Susma ji and Vinod Kumar.
So this is Shogoto from CII. I would like to congratulate.
Please.
Yeah, so I would like to congratulate Adil Bhai and the team. It's a wonderful portal, sir. And we assure you from CII will be supporting the initiative and posting jobs through the CII Model Career Center initiative, as was discussed with you. So what we are trying to do is download the app through Google App Store. It is going to another Unnati platform of a private party. So maybe you would like to check that.
Yeah, I know. We have to check.
And we assure you that we will, as soon as the linkage is shared with us, we will start posting the jobs.
Thank you.
कुमार जी, सुषमा जी.
Can I come in?
Vinod.
Are you able to hear us, sir? Are you able to hear us, sir?
Please go ahead. We can hear you.
Please go ahead. Yes.
What's up?
We had the opportunity of seeing this app 1.5 months back when Adil Bhai had shown it to us.
Okay.
And the only concern that we have that there has to be some linkage between all the similar portals which all the states are running, a SIM portal, or all other state governments have similar job portals. And the same technology which Adil Bhai is creating or designing, that also should be made part of all these portals.
Yes.
I guess, sir, there is a consolidated need for a worker to find jobs not only in Delhi or Mumbai or Gujarat or A place or B place. It has to be nationwide. And yes, we felt that ASEAN was out to do, but somehow I don't know where that is today, because the last time we have sent almost 40,000 SMEs to that portal, people who came to us saying that we have no labor. So a lot of our members have put up inquiries there for labor. Yesterday, sir, Sushma ji checked. We have only 112 people who have been able to hire from that database, in spite of the fact that it has 50 lakh plus workers registered.
And in some way, we have to enable employability and because that is what is something lacking in all the portals. Because you will have profiles listed, you will have job seekers listed, but the mapping is absolutely missing from all these existing portals as well.
Okay. We have to take this forward. We've already suggested Adil Bhai also last time that we're glad to take it forward, run a beta test on the portal once it's up, and support in whichever way we can. Idea is that how do we actually get all our industry, especially the micro, small, medium industry, in touch with workers at the ground level, and at the same time offer sustainable livelihoods to workers who are right now seething under this COVID, especially.
Correct.
So that itself is a very, very big challenge for all of us, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Deepak Balani here. I'm from All India Plastics Manufacturers Association. So first of all, let very
welcome, Mr. Balani,
to you and your team for developing this platform, which is the need of the hour. Sir, as one of our participants, Mr. Salunke, had mentioned, sir, plastic industry is perhaps a very large industry. The processing industry employs almost 5 million people. And at the moment, because of the pandemic, almost we estimate that few lakhs workers are looking for the job. So I think this is the platform. If we can create a separate segment of the manufacturing industry, maybe for the plastic processing segment, I think the employers will be able to find the workers in that particular segment. Secondly, as IPMA, we also organize various job fairs. Basically, we try to say that employers and employees basically meet each other virtually. Before we used to do physically. In fact, 30th, we are doing a similar kind of a virtual fair where we are creating a platform where employee and employers can meet. So we'll be glad to provide all the data on the platform so that this platform could be populated with the proper data and could be used by the potential employers. Third, sir, मेरा एक suggestion ये है कि जैसे जो ये migrant workers हैं, people who have ये operators जो हैं हमारे जो workers जो काम करते हैं, उनको सर it is very hard for them to bring on the platform. वो अपना CV बनाएंगे या वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे, so it becomes very very tough. So we had in fact thought about it. Is that say दमन में हमारे सिलवासा में जो हमारे large units हमारे large members हैं, one is that we can advertise this initiative. Our units can put the banners that this is an initiative where you can come on this portal. If suppose they are not able to go themselves on the portal, we can just keep a box at the security of all the companies. They have a small form just fill that form in a very simple and get the workers. So these are some of the ideas, and APMA is willing, and we will support this platform fully, sir. Thank you.
Deepak bhai,
Adil
just one comment
bhai,
I'll make.
Adil bhai, if I remember correctly,
Please.
one of the features of your app is that the worker will be tracked also. I mean, if he leaves one job, joins another, then he leaves another job and joins third job. So continuity ke liye bhi, I think that's a very good feature which we have built. Who else now?
If I can just make one comment to Deepak bhai. Deepak bhai, we'll call you separately. Several of you have commented about plastics industry. What I mean by initial 6 or 8 is only for the first couple of weeks. We're going to add all the others after that. So we'll call you and go through it with you and see how we can get plastics on board.
Thank you. We'll be glad to help you.
Thank you.
We'll be glad to give you all assistance. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Can I come in? Hi.
Sure, I can't see who. Mr.
I'm
Luthra, go ahead.
Yeah.
Luthra bhai, go ahead.
Always creative solutions, Mr. Sharma and his team. Congratulations. I was just thinking that if all the features and discussions of different languages, different sectors is being taught, can we just think of, maybe not today in the phase 2 of this, create a small software or a app kind of an application for the MSME companies to maintain his requirements on appointments of the people, which continuously can be in touch on the back end with this software. So that could be, because MSMEs don't afford too complicated softwares for their own application. So this was a thought if we could be looking at it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Jayesh, yes?
You're on mute, sir. Mr. Jayesh, you're on mute.
Sir, I'm Jayesh Rambia from All India Plastic Manufacturing Association. सर प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री में एक गैप है, माइग्रेंट वर्कर जो गांव में गए हैं और जो इसकी वजह से इंडस्ट्री के पास वर्कर की शॉर्टेज है और दूसरी तरफ से वही वर्कर जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं क्योंकि काफी बंद हो चुकी है। तो सर इंडिया में करीब 1.5 लाख पोस्ट ऑफिस है और इंडिया में करीब 5,500 रेलवे स्टेशन है। तो नजदीकी पोस्ट ऑफिस पे या नजदीकी रेलवे स्टेशन पे जाके वर्कर ऑफलाइन अपना एप्लीकेशन देते हुए, जिसको वहां से सिर्फ उनको फोटो निकाल के व्हाट्सएप करना एक नंबर पे, या तो रेलवे का एम्प्लॉय या तो पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉय उनको हेल्प करेंगे, या तो वहीं पर एक नंबर लिखा होगा, फोटो निकाल के वर्कर भी व्हाट्सएप कर सकता है। तो अगर एक ठिकाने पे इंफॉर्मेशन आती है तो उसकी वजह से वर्कर की इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफलाइन से कनेक्ट हो जाएगी और इंडस्ट्री ऑनलाइन उसको एम्प्लॉय कर सकती है। दैट इज वन फर्स्ट सर। सेकेंड थिंग सर, जो हमारे अगर आपने देखा होगा बड़े शहरों में जॉब्स के लिए नाके लगते हैं, मतलब सुबह सुबह रेलवे स्टेशन के नजदीक पर्टिकुलर शहर में बेगारी, कड़िया, प्लम्बर, टेक्नीशियन, पेंटर वो सब मिल जाते हैं। तो वो सिर्फ कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री के लिए है, लेकिन अगर वो चीज अगर हम इंडस्ट्री क्लस्टर में शुरू करें कि जहां पर विद डिसिप्लिन या तो है या तो बस स्टैंड है जिसके पास अभी जगह थोड़ी है और वहां पर डिस्टेंस से अगर अलग अलग इंडस्ट्री के हिसाब से लोग खड़े हो जाए वहां वगैरह हो, होता ऑनलाइन जाने जितना काबिल तो जॉब कभी की मिल जाती। हमको तो शॉप फ्लोर पे वो लोग काम करते हैं नहीं है, इतने पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, तो उनको अगर कनेक्ट करना है तो ऑफलाइन के मॉडल में भी विचार करके हम एक्टिवली सर्व करना चाहेंगे सर।
थैंक यू।
यस अरविंद जी, अरविंद मेहता जी।
आप म्यूट पे अरविंद जी, यू आर ऑन म्यूट।
हाँ सर, हमारे मित्रों ने काफ़ी बढ़िया सजेशन दिया है और हमारे इंडस्ट्री वाले ने भी दिया है। एक मेन पॉइंट सर हम लोग का काफ़ी बड़ा मिसिंग पॉइंट आता है वो एक्सपोर्ट में। एक्सपोर्ट में जो है वहाँ लेबर इंटेंसिव जितने प्रोडक्ट है वो हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं लेबर अवेलेबिलिटी या जो भी इश्यूज है उसमें। तो जैसे टॉय इंडस्ट्री है, जैसे रफिया इंडस्ट्री हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, तो यू नीड hundreds thousands ऑफ वर्कर्स इन दैट वन। तो उसके लिए कुछ रास्ता करना चाहिए पोर्टल से, जिससे उसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी मिले और अपना एक्सपोर्ट भी बढ़े। जैसे एक्सपोर्ट में जितने भी लेबर सब इंडस्ट्री में होगा, खाली प्लास्टिक की बात नहीं है, सब जगह होगा। तो एक्सपोर्ट को आप फोकस करके करेंगे तो और अपना देश का भला भी होगा और अपना काम भी हो जाएगा। एंड ये 20 करोड़ लोग भी अभी तो कांग्रेचुलेशन, दे विल बी टेक्नोलॉजी सेवी, जिसको एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए हो, तो दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट फॉर अस सर, एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू
सर। भारद्वाज, अनिल भारद्वाज।
थैंक यू सर। पहले तो इस इतनी अच्छी इनिशिएटिव के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई और मंत्रालय को बधाई। हम लोग सोनू सूद जी के कार्यक्रम से प्रवासी भारतीय से जुड़े रहे हैं और उसमें हमने काफी लोगों का रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया और ये एक नया ऐप है, नेचुरली इससे कुछ और लोगों तक, हम ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंच सकेंगे। पर एक दो चीजें जो सामने आई मैं आपके सामने शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि जो 3 सबसे बड़े एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंटेंसिव सेक्टर्स रहे हैं एमएसएमईज के लिए, जिसमें सबसे पहले रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स है, लेदर है, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी है। इन तीनों में ही यदि हम पिछले साल के और इस साल के अप्रैल अगस्त क्वार्टर को कंपेयर करते हैं तो जो ड्रॉप है सर बहुत जबरदस्त है। रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स में लगभग 47% का ड्रॉप है, लेदर में लगभग 53% का ड्रॉप है, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी में लगभग 62% का ड्रॉप है। तो उसकी वजह से जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट की जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है वो भी काफी कम हुई है। तो नेचुरली हम पुश तो करना चाहिए, लेकिन साथ साथ हमें भी ये भी देखना चाहिए कि जो ये 3 सेक्टर्स हैं इसमें जो काम करने वाले लोग हैं, मतलब जो एम्प्लॉयर्स हैं, उनकी दिक्कतें भी दूर हो ताकि वो लोगों को एम्प्लॉय कर सकें। आज वो बहुत सारी और दिक्कतों की वजह से एक तरह से स्टक हो गए हैं। तो मैंने ये देखा उनके सोनू सूद जी के साथ काम करते हुए कि जो एब्जॉर्प्शन है लेबर का वो काफी हद तक गिरा है। तो उस दिशा में भी थोड़ा साथ साथ सोचने की जरूरत है। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
अमिता जी।
अमिता,
yes.
You unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, sir. Sir, once again, a very, very innovative product coming out of you and your ministry. So congratulations. So I think CII is really well positioned to collaborate because of 64 offices all across the country. So not only in making the Unnati portal very popular, but also to collate all the vacancies of jobs, especially in the rural and the semi-urban areas, to directly attack the problem of reverse migration and to help those workers. So we are already from our Model Career Center collating all the job vacancies, and we will be posting on the Unnati platform, sir. And I think somebody before me also mentioned this. I really feel that as many regional languages as we can, if we can make this offering, it will be that much more successful, because really it is targeting the bottom of the pyramid, and therefore the language is an important consideration. Thank you very much, sir, for the opportunity.
Thank you. Dilip, you want to add something?
No, thank you, sir. First of all, congratulations to you and to Adil Bhai. And Adil Bhai and me, we've had presentations on this earlier many times, and I've promised him and the ministry our wholehearted support. There are 3 points arising out of the conversations that I like to suggest, Adil Bhai. This is not necessarily immediate, but if you can integrate this there. The first thing, as Mr. Rajiv Chawla said, this voice to text option, because I think that's something in the future, and that makes it language agnostic. So, if we can look at it that way. The second thing is that, I'm going to use a very crazy...
Can I just, for the fun of it, one technology idea I want to give you on this point. The back-end technology that we have allows, if I'm a worker and I make a video or say something in Kannada, right, and you are an employer, you can see it in Hindi.
Yes, absolutely.
It will allow you to do that. Sorry, yeah. I just wanted to say that because you mentioned.
Yeah. No, I know. That's why I remember we had this question when you were presenting it, and you said, it'll be good for the larger group to know it. The second thing is, can we create communities? And, the example I really want to give here is, can this be the shadi.com of this sector? literally. How do you create communities through this? The third point is that, low cost rental housing and availability of housing in different areas is a critical thing. If we can actually look at building that in as we go forward. And the fourth thing is, there's normally a help suggestion in everything, a help thing in everything. Can you put a suggestions here? Because looking at the diverse view of suggestions that are coming in here, if you have a thing of capturing the suggestions and thing coming up here. And
very good idea.
The fifth and last point is that, a lot of call centers and a lot of people currently are underutilized. So in initial phase, can you add a contributory kind of a section where they can actually help you connect with different people and add value to this going forward? And you have an immense connect in that sector. You can look at it going forward. And, already I can, in anticipation of your slide of what you require from us, I've already committed that we'll do it with you. Thank you very much.
Anyone else?
सर आप म्यूटेड हैं सर.
Secretary, you are muted.
I was saying that if anyone else wants to add from the associations and industry side, you are most welcome. Yes, Jais bhai, you want to?
सर अभी हमने देखा प्रैक्टिकली ये माइग्रेंट लेबर जब वापस चले जाता है तो इंडियन इंडस्ट्री स्टॉप हो जाती है करीब मतलब काफी स्लो डाउन हो जाती है. लेकिन अगर आप हमारे लेबर लॉ पे ख्याल करेंगे तो लेबर लॉ हमारा ILO का वो फॉरेन के लेबर लॉ का कॉपी पेस्ट है. अभी जो यहाँ पर अपने घर से दूर आदमी आके इंडस्ट्रियल क्लस्टर में काम कर रहा है सर, वो 8 घंटा काम नहीं करता है, वो 12 घंटा काम करता है. वो साल में 1 साल 2 महीने लेता है, गाँव जाता है. ये नीड को हमारा लॉ एड्रेस नहीं कर रहा. तो सर फैक्ट आपको बता दूं, जो फैक्ट है प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री में ऑन पेपर 8 घंटे की ड्यूटी बढ़ते हैं, काम सब 12 घंटा करता है. ये फैक्ट है. और ये जो हमारा कंप्लायंस वीक होता है उसकी वजह से करप्शन को राइज होता है और हमारे SME को ब्रांड्स अप्रूव नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि ये लेबर का लॉ का वो बंद कर रहे हैं. तो अगर वो लेबर लॉ इमिग्रेंट माइग्रेंट लेबर के लिए अगर लेबर लॉ प्रैक्टिकली जो उनकी जरूरत है और इंडस्ट्री की जरूरत है वो हिसाब से सुधारा जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सर प्लास्टिक इंडस्ट्री में देखेंगे तो हमारे फुल्ली ऑटोमेटिक मशीन्स है. आदमी को पसीना भी नहीं होता, उसको कोई बोझा भी उठाना नहीं होता है. सुबह आके वो मशीन लोड करता है, दोपहर को देख लेता है, शाम को उससे माल निकालता है. तो उसमें अगर आप कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू लगा दें कि भाई उसको पूरे दिन में फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1000 कैलोरी का काम करना है, वो 1000 कैलोरी का काम फिर 12 घंटे में करे या 8 घंटे में करे. बोझे वाला काम हम समझते हैं कि वो 8 घंटे में खत्म होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो लाइट ड्यूटी है सर उसके लिए एक स्प्रेड ड्यूटी होती है, शिफ्ट स्प्रेड होता है. जैसे BST के बस कंडक्टर होते हैं गवर्नमेंट में, पुलिस में शिफ्ट स्प्रेड होता है. 12 घंटे में वो 8 घंटे काम करता है. तो लोडिंग अनलोडिंग जो फैक्ट्री में होता है वर्कर भी सर पूरा दिन काम नहीं करता, जब ट्रक आती है तभी काम करता है, नहीं तो बैठे रहता है. तो हमको ये शिफ्ट स्प्रेड अगर दिया जाए तो हमारी अफोर्डेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी और लीगली हम अच्छा काम कर पाएंगे सर. हमें ये सिर्फ चोरी चकारी नहीं करनी है. तो थोड़ा प्लीज इस पे तवज्जो दीजिएगा.
सेक्रेटरी साहब मुझे कुछ कहना है. यस सर, ऐसा है देखिए अभी शुरुआत है और मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि अगर हम लोग डिस्ट्रिक्ट इंडस्ट्रियल सेंटर को अगर इसमें इन्वॉल्व करें तो इससे क्या होगा, DI जैसे डायरेक्टर अपना MSME इंस्टीट्यूट ये कोऑर्डिनेट करेगा, उनके यहाँ पर जैसे विकास के लिए कोशिश करते हैं ये उन्नति के लिए भी कोशिश करेंगे. तो DIC को अगर इसमें इन्वॉल्व किया जाए तो मुझे लगता है हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हम पहुंच सकते हैं और इसका फायदा हमारे MSME सेक्टर जो रूरल एरिया के सिटी में सबको फायदा होगा. प्लीज नोट दिस माय सजेशन.
Mr. Luthra was trying to say something. Luthra ji कुछ बोलना चाहते थे? नहीं.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now perhaps we can we are moving towards winding up. DK, the development commissioner sahab is there. DK, you want to add something?
Sir, I think our industry people have already given very good suggestions, and they are very practical suggestions. I think our Adil Bhai will be considering that. One of the idea कि आप एक ड्रॉप बॉक्स रखें और वहाँ पे ड्रॉप बॉक्स करें, I think वो ऑपरेशनलाइज करना बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया होगा, बिकॉज मेनी पीपल मे नॉट हैव एक्सेस. उसका एक दूसरा सोल्यूशन हो सकता है कि ईच पंचायत है नाउ कम्युनिटी सेंटर्स, जहाँ पे वो फैसिलिटी है, जो लोग जा सकते हैं और अपना इनरोलमेंट कर सकते हैं किसी भी गवर्नमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए, और दैट सर्विस चार्जेज आर 30 रुपीज। जो भी आएगा उसका 30 रुपीज जो चार्ज लेते हैं टू अपलोड एंड फिल अप दैट एप्लीकेशन। तो प्रोबब्ली अगर कुछ ये हम लोगों को कुछ मिलता है तो प्रोबब्ली वी विल ट्राई टू वर्क आउट सम डिटेल्स हाउ इट कैन बी मोर फैसिलिटेटेड इन ए स्ट्रक्चर्ड मैनर सर। एक तो ये है सर। दूसरा सर, ये रिटेल सेक्टर का अभी ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग बहुत बढ़ रहा है, बट पीपल हैव वेरी लिमिटेड चॉइस, और सब लोग जो है अमेजन और फ्लिपकार्ट पे खरीद रहे हैं। नाउ सिमिलर गुड्स आर अवेलेबल इन माय नेबरहुड ऑल्सो, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि नेबरहुड वाला जो आदमी है, बंदा है, वो आपके घर तक सामान डिलीवरी नहीं कर पा रहा है। तो अगर इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू नेबरहुड शॉप्स को जोड़ दिया जाए और वो डिलीवरी बॉयज को कनेक्ट कर दिया जाए, तो इट विल गिव ए लॉट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट, और जो हमारे नेबरहुड की शॉप्स हैं उनका बिजनेस फिर से स्टार्ट हो जाए। अभी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट तो है, लेकिन हम सब लोग फ्लिपकार्ट से खरीद लेते हैं या दूसरी खरीद लेते हैं। दिल्ली में है, लोग सरोजनी नगर नहीं जा रहे हैं, जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है सारा ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं। तो अगर हम ये करें कि सरोजनी नगर का जो बंदा है, जो बिजनेसमैन है, उसको इससे लिंक कर दिया जाए, वो फिर आसपास के घरों में विद इन 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर फास्ट डिलीवरी कर सकता है। दैट if something can be done for that, it will add some employment. Thank you, sir.
Alka, you want to add something?
No, I was just thinking, I had thought I'll discuss with you after this meeting, but then I thought, sir, okay, this is a good platform. We could have, sir, another meeting where we invite all the principal secretaries, industries. See, we have a WhatsApp group, but sir, once they see it, I think that will make more of a effect, sir. So if you agree, then I'll discuss with Adil sir, and after time, like
Yes,
we can have another meeting like that, sir.
Certainly.
And sir,
yes.
So one thing more I wanted to say, so जब ये बन जाएगा, इसको सर हम रेडियो जिंगल भी बना के सर इसको थोड़ा पब्लिसिटी कर देंगे. No, because till people hear it, and I think radio is the best medium to, in all the languages we can make a nice jingle and tell about it.
Otherwise, anyone else from your side to add to what you have said already? Or we should conclude?
Sorry, I couldn't hear. Last thing. Yes, I do want to say one thing before we conclude, if we have. So what is that we would like from you? One, we'd like your support. Second, we'd like to get some MSMEs to agree to do a beta test on the portal as it goes up in the next week or so. And so if I could request each of the associations, if you can think of a few of your MSMEs who will like to participate in the beta test, please email me. The way we will do this is we will restrict access only to those companies. So we will need an email address from that company, and then we can allow them access so that they can get on and try it out in a beta way. So could I request the associations? You have 10 associations here. If we could get, some 10 to 15 companies from each association to agree to try this out. I think as Secretary very appropriately said, we are at a beta test level to try this out with some real live vacancies, go through the whole experience, give us your feedback, tell us what works, what doesn't work, but do it with real live vacancies. It would be very helpful. And the best way to do this is, of course, you can call any of us, but in terms of officially, if you can send, that company can send the name of a person from that company to unnati.support@gov.in, specifying the name and email of the authorized person, we will give them access.
Adil bhai, I compliment again you and your whole team, and I also thank all the participants. In fact, for the benefit of all participants, in fact, many of them have very intimately interacted with the team also. But still, for the benefit of others, I would like to reiterate that what Adil Bhai has done is a marvelous job. Not only that, around 50 technocrats, they have devoted their time pro bono without expecting or charging anything from the government. Their full heart they have devoted into this project. And the last thing which I want to say is that you have to, in fact, the limitation is our own thinking. The limitation is not technology. Technology, Adil Bhai will I'm sure his team will deliver anything that we can imagine. You speak and it gets typed, you type and it gets spoken. So either way, it's possible. I mean, technology is such today that it's possible, and the team is so competent that they will make it possible. So, friends, the limitation is our own imagination. I would again say, if you feel that anything else needs to be added or modified on the in the system, please let Adil Bhai or us know. And going forward, we will expect your support and cooperation. As Adil Bhai said, each of the associations can make some MSME boarded on the platform to motivate others. This is just basically to motivate others so that the whole thing gets going. Adil Bhai, one last thing which Mr. D.K. Singh, our Development Commissioner, added, that has to be perhaps maybe kept in mind. What he was saying that Panchayat Ghar, we have the common service centers, you must be knowing. They can be a great help in entering the details and all that, particularly the migrant workers. They have gone in the villages, and perhaps I am from a typical village of Eastern UP, so I know the mindset of workers. These workers who once reached to the village from Bombay, Delhi, तो वो लोग इतना आराम तलब हो जाते हैं कि they don't want to come back to Delhi and Bombay again quickly, even if the situations have become normal. So perhaps we have to catch them, we have to capture their details, we have to capture, as Salunke ji was also saying, that so our panchayat units, our common service centers, they can be of great help in capturing these workers, because slight nudging will be required at this moment for them to come back to work and work in the industry. Otherwise, they would be in their comfort zone. गाँव में है जैसे भी है, the rural India is, that is what rural India is. Marginal productivity के basis पे चलती है rural India. So there are not many people depending on a small farm or a small earning system, but still happy. So a little nudging perhaps would be required going forward at some point of time, and in that process, perhaps panchayat and common service centers can be of great help. Someone was raising his hand. Yes.
शर्मा जी, जब यहाँ से माइग्रेंट वर्कर जा रहे थे तो गवर्नमेंट में कंपटीशन लगी थी कि फ्री ट्रेन उनको कौन दे, वापस लाने के लिए फ्री ट्रेन दी जाए और इनफ ट्रेन रन की जाए, तो काफी हमारे वर्कर वापस आना चाहते हैं लेकिन उनको ट्रेन की टिकट ही नहीं मिल रही.
Definitely. So these are the issues involved. But what perhaps this platform cannot give all solutions which are perhaps beyond the mandate of this mechanism, but it should capture all those issues so that at least someone can see them, someone can. So I thank once again the entire galaxy of people which I can see in front of me. Thank you once again. And thank you, Adil Bhai and your team for a brilliant work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You all the best, Adil Bhai.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
My
much.
email, I put
Thank you.
email on the chat. Anything you want, please send to me.
Thank you.